In this video, you will learn how to use Zoom on a cell phone. This presentation is sponsored by the Wayne State University School of Medicine, along with the Detroit Area Agency on Aging. In the first part of this video, we will go over how to use the Zoom application on an iPhone. To start, make sure your iPhone is turned on. Once your iPhone is turned on, open the App Store by tapping the blue icon. It should look like the blue square that you see on your screen now. Once in the App Store, tap the search bar. This can be found in the lower corner of your screen. Once you're on the search page, type the word Zoom into the search bar. You should see a search result that looks like a blue icon with a camera in it. This is the Zoom icon. Download Zoom Cloud Meeting by tapping the word Get in the blue box. Once the app has been downloaded, tap Open on the right-hand side of the icon. After opening the app, Zoom will request permission to use your phone's microphone and camera. Make sure you click OK on the right-hand side of this pop-up. After clicking OK, you will see the following screen. The options below should say New Meeting, Join, Schedule, or Share Screen. You are now ready to either start or join a Zoom meeting. To join someone else's meeting, follow the instructions in this video. To join a meeting, click the icon that says Join. It is the blue box with a plus sign in it. After you hit Join, you should see a screen that looks like the image below. In the Meeting ID section, type the 11-digit numerical code provided to you by the host of the Zoom meeting. On the same screen, next tap Screen Name and type in your name so that other guests know who you are in the meeting. You can use your first name or your first and last name, or even a nickname, whatever you want people to identify you as. Some Zoom meetings may even require a passcode. If this is the case, the meeting passcode will be provided to you by whoever invited you to the meeting initially. You will know if you need a passcode or not based on if you see the following image. If necessary, enter your passcode and tap Continue. Once a passcode is entered, you will officially enter the Zoom meeting. Conversely, if you were emailed a meeting link, simply open your email and click the link on your email. Joining a meeting this way allows you to skip steps 8 and 9 that we previously discussed, and then continue on with steps 10 through 12 as listed. However, if you would like to start your own meeting instead, follow these steps. To start a new meeting, click the New Meeting icon. This should be the orange square with a white camera in it. After you tap New Meeting, you should be directed to the following screen. Click the blue button that says Start a Meeting. This will take you to a screen where you now see your own face. You will now be asked about audio options. Click Call using Internet Audio. This is a very important step as this allows your friends and family to hear you. To invite people to this new meeting you have just started, click Participants on the lower portion of your screen. It should be a white icon with 2 heads. From this screen, click the word Invite in the lower left-hand corner of your device. This will be written in blue ink. Now click Send Message. This allows you to invite people to your meeting via a text message. After clicking Send Message, you will be taken to a new screen that looks just like a normal text message. Click the To bar and enter the name or phone number of those you would like to join your Zoom call. Once you type in the names of those you would like to invite, click the blue upwards arrow to send the invite link. After everyone you would like to invite has been sent the link, sit back, relax, and wait for them to join you. You are now ready to Zoom. In this part of the video, we will be discussing how to use Zoom on Android devices. To start, make sure your Android device is powered on. Next, open the Play Store app on your device. Once in the Play Store, type Zoom Cloud Meeting in the search bar at the top of your screen. After searching for Zoom Cloud Meetings, click the green Install button next to the Zoom icon. The Zoom icon will appear as a blue square with a white camera icon inside of it. Once downloaded, the Zoom app will now be on your device's home screen. From the home screen, you can now open the Zoom app and you are ready to start or join a meeting. To join someone else's meeting from an email invite, follow these instructions. First, open the email app on your device. Once in your inbox, click the email that says, "Please join Zoom meeting." Open the email and click the link in the email. The link will be highlighted in blue. The first time you join a meeting, the device will ask which app you want to use. Select Zoom and the Always option. Some meetings may require a passcode to enter depending on the security settings. This is optional. However, if you are prompted to enter a passcode, the code can be found in the body of the email that you were sent. After selecting Always or entering your passcode, you will officially enter the Zoom meeting you were invited to. In order to use the new meeting feature on your Android, you will need to first create an account. Click the Zoom app on your device's home screen to open the app. Once the app opens, you will see the following screen where you should click Sign Up in the lower left-hand corner. This will be written in blue font. Your device will take you to a sign-up page with information you will need to fill out. Such information includes your first and last name. Once filled out, click the small box next to I agree to the terms of service. You must check this box in order to move on. After the box is checked, click Next in the upper right-hand corner. This will be written in white font. You will now see this screen. Next, you must verify your account. A verification email has been sent to you. So, in order to view it, find and open the email app on your device. Look for an email from Zoom to activate your Zoom account. Open this email and click the box that says Activate Account. This will be a blue box with white font in the body of your email. You will now be taken to a page asking you to set a password for your account. Enter a password and click Continue. Make sure you write your password down somewhere so you do not forget it. An option may pop up asking if you want to save your password. This will allow your device to remember your password for you in case you ever forget. Click Save on the right-hand side if you would like this feature. If not, hit Never on the left. You can now sign into Zoom. Open the Zoom app and click Sign In. You will now be taken to the Zoom sign-in page. Fill out the boxes accordingly. Use the same information that you used to initially sign up. Click Sign In once your credentials are correctly entered. The sign-in box should be a blue box with white font. Now that you have an account established, you will be able to create your own Zoom meetings where you can invite all of your friends and family. For additional guidance on scheduling a meeting, meeting controls, breakout rooms, closed captioning, audio, video, and sharing, as well as virtual backgrounds, more information can be found on the Zoom website. The direct link is provided in this portion of the video. Once again, the Wayne State University School of Medicine and the Detroit Area Agency on Aging thanks you for viewing this video. We hope it has been helpful.